Good evening, everyone. This is Compost Chicken Greens Plus. In this case, plus another Poshmark unboxing. This has been sitting in my room for too long. I'm sorry, seller. It's taken so long to get to your box. Oy. So, as usual, this is packed upside, well, I'm opening it upside down as the shipping stuff is underneath. I don't feel like taking it off. This is a not full spindle of DVD, I think, blank DVDs. They're still, you know, if you still have the technology with you, you can burn off copies of stuff. CD, not very big. Capacity is pretty small, but you can still put some important data on there, as long as you have the burning technology, like I still do. These are lanyards, so they're useful for the memberships and other things. The cards, I should say. This is a carnivore premium meat claws. A hardcover case. There you go. Figure they're also good for other things, not just eyeglasses, but my aunt and dad seem to have not enough proper cases. This was, I think, $6, so I can't mind that. Oh, they're into packaging. So part of the reason I bought this bundle was there is a duvet cover in here. Well, in the box, I don't know if it's in here, and two sheets, a top, a flat sheet, and a fitted, I believe. And they were, I think, oh well, under 10 each, anyway, I can't remember. And they're cotton, which is great. I don't like polyester. Ugh. Can't read the label, but yeah, I'm pretty sure this is cotton. And it's another one, and they're queen's eyes, and they're getting hard to find in things that are not disgusting polyester. Even the new stuff all seems to be polyester. There's a shortage, folks. These are, they're not actually dirty, they're just stained. They are silicone baking sheets. I would imagine that putting these directly on the racks are not going to work, obviously, because they're floppy, but you put them in maybe a beat up old tin or tray, like an oven tray, and it'll work really well. Those were not that expensive. One is going to go in each kitchen, and this is a vintage clear vinyl tablecloth that will go on one of the tablecloths in either one of the apartments. These were not expensive as a group. It was King Arthur, Alien vs. Predator. Which one is that? Full screen version. I prefer the wide view, but anyway, iRobot. And which one was this? I think Troy. Yes, Brad Pitt. Do we have to say anything else? Anyway, yeah. I think that whole lot was under $10. Oh, what's that? Oh, cute little fridge magnet. Oh, a little toque. It's so cute. I don't remember ordering that, so she must have thrown it in. Another thing I saw in her thing, which it makes me so happy, is the, I don't know if they call them vintage now, but Apple earphones with the jack, the old, what is it, 1 1/4, 3 1/4, can't remember. Anyway, with the jack, that's the, not the USB port kind, that kind. These fit in my ears, and they're used on this phone, because this phone does not use the jack, the power jack, as the doubling as the earphone thing. It uses the 3 1/4 or whatever that is. So win-win, and the case is really cute. And that was like, I think, $6. If you can even get them now, they're like $25 or $30, never mind the case. And this sweater, I bought it by accident. It goes against my rules of natural versus synthetic, but oh well, it's cute. I love this look, and yep. My bad that I got the wrong. But wasn't that much. Oh well. I'll probably give it away. Ah, here we go. The invoice. Let's see, and this is before the discount. Oh, sorry. $19 still. And they're new, so who cares? And then those. Missing, I think. Yeah. Queen covered duvet cover, brown quilt cover sheet. Yes, very good price. I couldn't help it. I really fascinated by this one. I don't know if you guys remember the girl, Iranian or something, with the most unbelievable eyes in the National Geographic's magazine. Well, that's the follow-up. There's a follow-up magazine in here. There it is. Except that's the different one. Oh, there it is. It's in the back. Huh. There, see? That. She looks a lot different. Whoever she's in the cover. Centerfold, I should say. There. Holy mackerel. Poor lady. You can see time really, her life kind of sucks. She doesn't look like she had much of a good life. Especially being stuck under the frickin' burkas. Gross. Anyways, love to read this magazine when I get a chance. Collector's item in my mind. And moving right on, these were an add-on, I think. What did it say? Free add-on. Yep, free add-on with purchase. It's going to go in my hairdressing collection. And somebody likes to put stuff away. Oh, that's right. This is for the gym. These. Yep. And it comes with a little... That's cute. That's still good condition. I'll use that again. Yeah, it comes with the book. So that's going to go in the gym. There we go. And I have an Olympus camera, and I also have an Olympus waterproof case, but I didn't have the floaty lanyard to tether things. So now I do, now I can take it swimming. It's old technology, but it's good technology. And that's that, except for this, which was the first item that caught my eye. Thank you for not sealing the package with tape, because it can be reused this way. Here is a technique I learned, figured out. If you twist the handle backwards from the way it was done, and push it and undo the knot. There we go. You can push the handle, here, twist the handle tight, and then push, undo the knot. So this is the cover, and it will be going on one of the one of the comforters, or I don't think I have any duvet. Oh no, I do. I have a faux duvet, just like, it's not goose down, but it is it's a faux duvet. Let's just put it that way. And yeah, this is a little bit of pilling on it, which is not a big deal. Not a big deal. I can probably work on pulling them back the other way. I've done that sort of thing with sweaters and things. I have that kind of time. Yeah, so this is nice. It's a darker color than I thought. It looks really good. I really like that. Has the jacquard pattern, except it's just the plain stripes. Yeah, very nice. Thank you, seller. This is great. Nicely shipped. Nicely organized. All basically the way sheet there too, which is great. It doesn't always happen. You don't always print them off, which is, it happens. You have a record on your phone or in your account, but it's nice to have a paper version of it as well. So anyway, if you like what you see, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share. Sharing is caring, and I'm wishing everyone a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, and night, whenever, wherever, and whomever you are. Ooh, stay awesome, stay adventurous. Oh yeah.